Hey guys, it's Ro. Welcome to another Nerdy Nummies. Today I have a very special guest. Look, you guys, it's Lauren.
Hi guys! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to be here!
I am so excited. This is the first time that we've baked together. She is the queen of DIY. I'm gonna be putting her links down below. Go check it out, subscribe, show her some love. She is super creative. You basically can do anything with anything.
But just like not in the cooking realm.
Oh.
I stay in like the scissors and glue gun realm. This is your world.
I don't know about you, but when the Unicorn Frappuccino came out at Starbucks, I was a little bit obsessed. And I thought that would be the perfect thing for us to make because the vibrant colors really reminded me of you.
Oh my god,
They're
it's like
ombre.
the most IG worthy thing that's ever come out, ever.
Yes. So today we are gonna be making a Unicorn Frappuccino Cake. Get this. It even is gonna taste like the Starbucks drink itself.
Oh girl, you're fancy!
Yes. All right, you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's get started. The things you'll need to make this sour mango cake recipe will be 1 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 3 eggs, and some dehydrated mangoes.
And for the sweet and sour soak, you will need 1/2 cup of lemon juice, 1/2 cup of lime juice, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/2 cup of sugar.
Now let's put it all together. The first step to making our cake is to blend up our dried mango. Dump all of the mango in there, Lauren, and then we can have a little taste.
Oh girl, I'm way ahead of you.
I'm gonna have you do the honors.
Okay.
Here's the button right here.
Okay.
And then just pulse it like that. Tap it. Like keep tapping. Tap, tap, tap. Yeah, yeah. Oh my. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh my, okay, that's like dang near perfect. We need the corners in here. We need all the mango. Pour it in. Ooh.
Now we've got our mango powder and it's time to whisk together our dry ingredients.
That's right, Lauren, pour in this flour. I'm gonna
Oh my
have you
gosh.
pour.
Oh God.
I trust you, you can
Okay.
do this.
Oh God. Okay,
No,
here we go,
you
here we
got
go.
this, girl. Add your baking powder and salt. Whisk together.
Is there a proper whisking method?
Just trying to keep it in the bowl.
Next up is creaming together our butter and our sugar.
Yes, scoop in the butter. You can use a little spatula. You want the butter. Oh no, it's the cutest stinking spatula in the world. Pour in all the sugar. Lauren, I'm gonna have you do this.
Oh no.
Yeah, you got this, girl.
I'm stressed, okay.
I have faith. Using an electric hand mixer, mix together your butter and sugar for a couple minutes on a medium speed until it's light and fluffy.
I feel like this was the baking class I never got in high school.
I know, our baking class in high school wasn't very good. We had
No.
one home ec class.
Yeah.
And it was like, here's a book, here's some flour and eggs and stuff. Make a pie.
This looks super fluffy. It looks
Yeah.
like snow, like delicious baking snow.
Yeah, with butter. Next, we're gonna add our eggs one at a time, mixing in between each addition. I'll start the first egg. Add the whole egg. Boop. Oh, sorry, girl. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. No, Lauren. Lauren. I got you, girl. Give it a crack. Go for it. Don't worry about shells.
You know, I haven't cooked a meal in like months. I
What's
haven't
the
cooked
last thing
anything.
you cooked? Do you remember?
A frozen meal.
Pizza?
No, like a Whole Foods frozen meal.
Oh, those are good though.
Yeah, they are good.
They're really good.
We've got our milk, our butter mixture, and our dry ingredients, and we're gonna put them all together.
Yes, this is gonna make the most delicious batter. I'm so excited. Add a little dry, mix it up, add a little wet, mix it up, add a little dry, mix it up, wet, mix it up, dry, mix it up.
Our cake batter is ready, and we're gonna divide it evenly between these milkshake cups.
We've lined the milkshake cups with a piece of parchment paper and greased them. And you also wanna make sure it overhangs. Also put a little circle of parchment paper covering the bottom. Use little ice cream scoops. Get some batter.
Ooh, this is fluffy. Wow, this smells good.
This should be a candle.
This should be a candle.
Really. And then just fill it up. Just keep scooping till all the batter's gone. Give them a little shake. Because they're milkshakes.
Batter is in the cups and they are ready to bake.
That's right, and today we're gonna be using a slow bake method. Heat your oven to 300 degrees and bake for about 1 hour and 45 minutes.
While those are baking, we're gonna make our sweet and sour soak.
That's right, this is fancy. This is the first time on Nerdy Nummies that we have ever soaked a cake. So I'm gonna show you how to do it. It's super easy. Okay, girl, we just pour all of this into the sauce pot. So add your water, lemon juice, lime juice, and sugar sugar into the sauce pot, then whisk together till well combined and take it over to the stove. Bring your mixture to a boil, stirring occasionally. Just make sure all your sugar has dissolved, then turn off the heat and set it off to the side to cool.
Our cake is done baking. It's so pretty.
It is so cute.
And we also gave it plenty of time to cool, and now it's time to make it cute and do all the row magical things that happen in cake building.
We're gonna cut the cake, soak it, and stack it. I've leveled the top and the bottom, turn the cake on its side, and cut it into thirds. It doesn't need to look perfect. We're just doing it so we can soak each piece evenly. I just poured the sweet and sour soak into a squeeze bottle. Squeeze it. Let that cake, like a sponge, absorb that flavor. Once soaked, flip them over and soak the other side.
We're done soaking them, and now we're gonna go ahead and assemble them in the correct order.
Yes, we want it to look like the cup. We have a little cake plate, and I'm gonna put a little bit of frosting, place it down, and then it will stick on there. Pipe an outline all the way around, and then do some zigzags in the middle.
Oh no.
That's okay.
Oh no.
Don't worry, it will spread out. Put the medium piece back on, and then one more layer.
Now this is starting to look like a super cute cake, so we're gonna freeze it for half an hour. We took our cake out of the freezer, and girl, what is next?
Next, we frost. But before we frost our cake, we gotta put in a little bit of structure. I like to use straws.
Is that a boba straw?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stick it right in the middle of the cake, and I'm gonna let you do it. Use your muscles, girl. Just push down. Go, 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 go. Perfect. Lauren, have you ever ombre'd a cake?
Girl, I have barely made a cake out of like a box.
Okay, I'm so excited that we're doing this then. Start at the bottom with the purple buttercream icing I've just put into a piping bag. Turn the turntable, and then pipe frosting onto the cake about 1/3 of the way.
Next up is the pink.
That's right. Okay, now Lauren, just match what I did. Fill it all the way to the top.
I feel like I need to get into
Like brace yourself.
like
yeah,
an
you
icing
can,
position.
Okay,
Like,
yeah.
bend the knees or something.
We'll get in the icing position.
Here we go.
Ready?
Yeah. Oh god.
You're doing great. You're doing great. It doesn't need to look perfect because after you get the frosting onto the cake, we're gonna smooth it out with a spatula. Pipe on the top, around in a circle, Lauren, just like you did for the in-between slices. Then smooth it out.
Now we're gonna add the blue that you see on the side of the drink, and I think it's the sour. That was the sour, right?
Yeah,
in
that's
the drink?
what I remember.
Yeah.
I've got the cutest little, look at this. It's
little baby.
It's a baby offset spatula, but it has a triangle. It basically looks like the smallest pie server in the world. Like if we made a little mini pie and you were like,
pie.
here's a slice for you.
Or like a little hamster pie. Like
I love those videos.
Me too.
Obsessed. Gently press it into the cake to make the line where you want to pipe the blue. Take the blue buttercream icing in a piping bag with a number 10 tip at the end for a little bit more control. Fill in the cavity that we've created. Use your spatula and smooth it out.
our cake is frosted and ready, and we've got icing that looks like whipped cream.
Yeah, that's right. We've got some white buttercream icing in a piping bag with, this is called a star tip. I'm gonna start on the outside and work my way in, and then I'm gonna build another layer. The Unicorn Frappuccino drink also has the iconic straw and some sprinkles on top. We have pink and purple sanding sugar. Sprinkle a little bit on top. Lauren, go for it. Just take a little pinch.
Okay, here we go.
Yes, it's so pretty. I love it. Lauren, you open that straw up, cut it down to size to be a little smaller. Go for it, girl. Place it anywhere you want.
It looks so good.
Love it. I've also gone a little extra, and I made a fondant Starbucks logo. Do you want the honor? Would you like to stick it on the cake?
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Are we ready for the reveal?
Ta-da! Here is the Unicorn Frappuccino cake that we made today, and the recipe is delicious. It is a sour mango cake recipe. A huge thank you to Lauren. Oh my gosh, Lauren, thank you for coming over. Thank you for my onesie, you guys.
Welcome.
Lauren made this unicorn onesie, and she gave it to me today, and I'm in love with it. And
You're
now,
so matching.
I matched
Look
the
it.
drink. Again, I'm gonna be putting all of her links down below. So if you're new to the channel, please go check her out, show her some love, and subscribe. Also, I'll be posting lots of pictures and the recipe on RosannaPansino.com, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, so you can check it out there. And if you make this cake, please take a picture and send it to me. I love seeing your baking creations. It just makes me happy. It makes my day. I don't know if you feel that way whenever you
Oh my gosh,
make
yeah,
something and
about
then
DIYs.
people
Same
send
way.
you their crafts and you're like,
Totally.
oh, yes.
And if you guys have any other ideas for nerdy nummies, leave them in the comments down below.
Thanks again. Bye, you guys.
Bye. So is this the part of the video where we get to try our cake now?
Yeah, we
Is this
cut
the part?
a little bit out the back so it's still pretty in the front. But now, let's have a taste. And I wonder, I know it's similar to the drink, but how similar?
Honestly, better than the drink.
Our first sour cake recipe. It was a win.
Yay! Bye guys!